Do you have student loans, collections, charge-offs, child support, repos, or any other negative items showing on your credit report? If you answered yes, then what I'm about to say next may just change your life forever. Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm the guy who brought you Rapid Delete. My team and I sat down this past week and thought about how can we help many more people with their credit issues. And what we came up with was pure genius. We wanted something that most people could afford, regardless of how many items or inquiries they had on their credit. The solution was simple. Let's charge a flat price. So for the whole month of March, Rapid Delete will be charging a flat price to remove all negative items and inquiries. It won't matter if you have 30 student loans totaling more than $300,000 or 100 inquiries, you will pay one flat price. I know you're like, okay, cool. What's this going to cost? Well, I hope you're sitting down for this because this one right here will floor you. The price will be $14.99. That's right. The price will be $14.99 to remove all negative items and inquiries. And the best part is you should see results in as little as 21 days. Remember, this deal is only for the month of March, and when March is gone, so is this deal. If this sounds like a deal you'd be interested in, pick up the phone and give us a call at 833-947-3863 and press the 1 button. One of our representatives will be more than happy to assist you, so give us a call today. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Very short, to the point. If you're looking to get your credit repaired in the month of March and you have tons of inquiries, you have tons of student loans, this would be the time to get it done. All right, guys, until the next video, I'm out. Peace.